Now we have a question that says how much should a man invest in rupees 25 shares selling at rupees 30. This means the face value of the share is rupees 25. The market value of the share is rupees 30 to obtain an income of rupees 450. Now total income should be rupees 450 if the dividend declared is 15%. So we know that the dividend is on the face value. So how do we go about this question is that we calculate the dividend on one share first. Dividend on one share is equal to 15% of 25, that is equal to 15 upon 100 into 25, which gives us 15 by 4. So this is rupees 15 by 4 is the dividend on one share. Now we know that this is the profit on one share. So if we have to calculate the total number of shares, we know how much profit does he want in total. So if we divide the total profit by the profit on one share, we will get the number of shares. So the number of shares is equal to total dividend divided by dividend on one share. Now if we divide the total dividend by the dividend on one share, we will get the number of shares. Now this is the total dividend is rupees 450, that is given. Now we divide it by 15 upon 4. This value will come out to be equal to 120. So the total number of shares is equal to 120. You can simplify this yourself, it's very easy calculations. So the total number of shares is 120. Now if the total number of shares are 120 and one share is selling at rupees 30. So how much does the man invest? The cost of one share is 30, the total number of shares are 120. So multiply 120 by rupees 30, we will get how much the man invested. So the total investment is equal to number of shares multiplied by the market value of one share. If we multiply the number of shares by the market value of one share, we get the total investment, which is equal to 120 into 30. This gives us a value of rupees 3600. Now this is the total investment the man makes to get a profit of or the dividend of rupees 450.